Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka National Federation of New State hagajingilang kabalalong medalsngi ka live hotarik na itong arjal pesan kabadai keseng berkentup iki seng terikam berper halor kejing Dawa Jongki kila rai ban penlong de kejing Shong Kyllaiñ Mungor hajantar mantar hanong ba Delhi ha ubnai nopra ban Dawa na sorkar pedeng kejing Dawa Jongki berkentup kejing Dawa ban ai Jylla kumba kila sedang na usnam arjar arpuat kiseng ki badan hakashatri ka National Federation of New State kilong ka IPFT Jakas, HSPDP, but Garulan State Demand Committee, kini kiseng na North East, but kidai ki Dawa ban yo Jylla thamai, berkentup ki Karbi but ki Garu.
Bahasa ni mau ya ka Jylla jungi Meghalaya, mar jingdon jungi ki kini ki Southly kiseng, jadi ki organisation hagaketing Jong the National Federation of New State. Kabumut ki organisation ki Badawa ialah ki Jong ki Jylla ki Thamai. Ba ni ki Southly ki stakeholder la ni ki organisation ni yo ban Shong. Hang ni ha Shong tarasni ki badai Jong ka North East India. Ki yang ni kat kum ki keteng ki labu. Ni don hang ni ka HSPDP. Ni don hang ni ka Garulan State Movement Committee. Ni don hang ni ka kanika klet ni IPFT mo kemudian po ka Tripura State yani ki ong ka Tripalan ang tabat na po ka Joint Committee jong ka Autonomous Demand Committee jong ka Karbi Anglong te ngidon hang ni ka ki khot ru jong ka Federation of New States. Te mata kasi ngila shim katuk ni ki rai bangin yai pen Kyllaiñ ya ka jing yeng jongi jing trelang jongi jing Dawa jongi na la ka ta ki jong ki state na ka benta ban ne sa ila ka jing long ten rai ka jing long jem ni lo per jong ki tribal ko North East but kumjuru ya ka jing long la ka jong ka identity la ka jong ka tin ka thli te ngisumtu bangimla ban yeng tang halaka jong organization te nak ta ka daw ni badan ko ka North East region ni le don lang haka shatri jong ka National State Federation haka baya baro kijing Dawa ke jongi ni yo ban ya ta kesan lang iwei ye iwei te mata kasi ni la bu ko bai karai kalong ba lengba ka ni jingan ta kasi ringkat bat ka federation bangin yo kalak ban ya kendu ya ka sokar India kamtam yo home minister jong ka ri India jongi bangin yo ya ka ban bu ya ki memberandam ki jongi bat nila perkhat ba lakum nukum nungin yo hadin uni benai agos banwan haki arsau ber absentrik shaneng ikwa ban yo appointment jongi ban nila shani highway ni ko chuman jongi iba nikman ibulong coachman jong ka federation ringkat batu secretary jongi iba Stalin ingti napo Karbi Anglong ba ki le appointment bat kasukan India kabar pat ni la yarai ba kumjule malagasnam kedon hakani ka lama jong ka federation jong ka new states ba ha ubnai December ginio ia ka sit-in demonstration kemut kajing ya Shong lang jungi baro kikenmun Dawa State haka nongba Delhi hapo jantar mantar kumbangila sedang nadu kasam arjar pulai ter bahangtu ngin summit ika memberandam bat in krenru nala ke jong kijing Dawa ke jongi ringkat bat ki flag demonstration ke bangin le antai ban pentip siya sokar India ni siya India bangidon kini ki kenhun ban Dawa ila ki jong ki state ke Thamai haka shatri jong ka National Federation of New States.
The Secretary of National Federation for New State and the Chairman of Joint Action Committee for Autonomous State, Karbi Anglong. So I welcome you to our first meet. At the very outset, I would like to details our outcome of our today's meeting. Our meeting decided that delegations will move to Delhi after 20 September. After 20 September, no, after 20 August, 23rd August, after 23rd August, and we are decided to hold a dharna in Jantar Mantar in the month of December. This is the outcome of today's meeting. As National Federations is organizations of joint organizations in Northeast, we have IPFT, JACAS, HSPDP, and a Garoland State Demand Committee. 4 organizations we have. As now, I would like to say that our movement and our demand is not a new demand, it is an old demand. Some organization is demanding their statehoods before independence, and some are after independence. Our Karbi also demanding state at the time of APHLC, but unfortunately Karbi cannot attain statehood like our brother Garo and Khasi Jaintia. But we never stop our movement. We are continuing our struggling, and our mass movement was started in 1986 and in 2013 when Telangana state was given. And as our movement and as per our demand, the government of India has called us for tripartite talk in Delhi. But now our tripartite talk have been stopped. So through this press meet, we demand the central government, the union government, to start the tripartite talk with JACAS as well as with all the members organization of National Federation for New States. Immediately we demand to start our tripartite talks. Thank you.
A repeat of what the Secretary of Nfns has just spoken. We are from the meeting we have come to the resolution that we are going to meet as delegation to the Union Home Minister after the 23rd of this August, and we will seek an appointment with him through our the Vice President, one Vice President, that is the Sukula and Nakursia from Tripura. He is the current Cabinet Minister in Tripura government. He will be the he will seek an appointment on behalf of the National Federation for New States. And secondly, as our Secretary has already spoken, we had a resolution to hold a dharna in the month of December during the winter session. And this dharna will include all the constituent members. All the constituent members will be in the dharna and demands the separate state for the constituent member of Nfns. And we hope this resolution will fulfill, and this resolution will be fulfilled in the coming days. Thank you.
If you can tell us, National Federations was formed at the time of Telangana state demand and movement, and now we have in Northeast 5 federations in the members: Karbi, Garo, Khasi, Tripura, and Kuki. Oh, no, 5, 6. Bodoland. And in apart from Northeast, we have Gorkha, Vidarbha, Bundelkhand, and Leh Ladakh at present. We have this much members.
How many meetings have you had in the past? And coming together, do you think that the center will listen to your demand? And
we hope so. And we for Northeast, this for first time, this is the historic meeting we had in Shillong. But all national federations meeting was held in different place. In Tura also we had a meeting, and in Tripura, Karbi Anglong, Vidar, Delhi, Tripura, and so every year we had a national meeting. But for Northeast, this is the first time, and this is the historic meeting in Shillong.